more headlines. JCPenney is stepping up to help victims of Hurricane Harvey. They're doubling their staff in Houston by hiring 2,500 people across our area. The jobs will include a variety of positions from store associates to customer assistants and even beauty consultants. Those interested should visit any Houston area JCPenney store today between 2 and 8 p.m. Management will be holding interviews and will hire people on the spot. Be sure to bring your resume and identification, and you can also apply online. Well, airlines have set a record in charging passengers billions for checked bag and reservation change fees. A report from the Government Accountability Office says airlines collected more than $7 billion from those costs at the end of the federal budget year on September 30th, 2016. So travelers who checked at least one bag are paying more overall airfare plus bag fees than before, when airlines started charging separately for those things like checked bags, reservation changes, and priority boarding. So your ticket's not cheaper. Target has come up with a solution for people who can't find something in its stores and don't want to bother an employee. They're putting maps of its stores on the Target mobile app. So it's being called GPS for your shopping cart. This feature shows your location in the store and helps shoppers locate items on their shopping list. They'll be available at nearly half of Target stores for the holiday season.
All right. Taking a live look outside at 6.